As your business grows, so do the systems you rely on to create, manage, and store data. Part of that growth could mean acquiring new businesses, which introduces a variety of different systems. And while you've been able to incorporate these new business units into your organization, their previous data systems do not merge and must be maintained individually. Maintaining multiple systems gets expensive. Year after year, your company is paying these costs just to be able to have access to this data. OpenText's Info Archive can consolidate and decommission legacy apps and achieve ROI in the first year of implementation. And legacy data remains easily accessible by preserving the interface and data architecture. Alitek has developed a solution with OpenText to archive your high-value data. Stop wasting your budget on maintaining legacy systems and invest in your company's future. To find out how Alitek can help solve your organization's information challenges, visit alitek.com/HVA.